Thanks so much for tuning into Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of Diecast cars. Today we have a really beautiful 2021 Hot Wheels Premium to unbox. This is from Hot Wheels Car Culture, British Horsepower, number 4 of 5, and this is a Lotus Espirit S1 that we're talking about today. Metal on metal with the real riders. That's what every Hot Wheels Premium comes with. Scored this at a Walmart a while ago for $5.47, and as you can see, beautiful artwork on the card there. Nice. And as you can see, this jerk decided to try to open it up, and now we get a damaged card. Alright, well, take a look at the back here. Nice, British Horsepower. Here's all the other cars you can get. Really loving that Land Rover, and also that McLaren. That Lotus Espirit's gotta be, like, my second favorite besides that Land Rover. This has a 2020 copyright, made in Thailand this time. Premiums are made in Thailand. Let's just, maybe we'll just, like, slide it open from there. Not sure what the best way is to open these. Yeah, would have rather opened it on my own fully. Beautiful Lotus Espirit S1. Got some great spinning wheels. Not sure what kind of wheels these are. They're like 5-star wheels, but they look really cool. Nice. Just give you a little brief overview of this. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. It's so cool. So awesome. So beautiful. And you're gonna hear a little vibration here. I need to fix it. When I zoom in, it vibrates. Look at that. Look at those wheels. Absolutely stunning. Rubber with the treads. Door handle, pinstripe, Spirit right there. Interior, windows down, chilling with the radio on. No, I'm just kidding. If you get that reference, let me know. We got Spirit right on the hood there. Pretty cool. And we got those windshield cleaners. I think that's what they are. I'm not really good with my knowledge. Look at those parking lights. And this would have flip-up headlights. Like the gray rims, you can actually take those tires off. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Got some weight to it. That's because that base is metal. I'll give you a look at that. So the Spirit right on the side, like the back window. Series 1, it says right there. Beauty, 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 beauty. Here's the base. It's a metal base, painted over black. Liking it. The wheels spun very well on this, made in Thailand with a 2014 copyright. This is a 2014 casting design. Lotus Espirit S1. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not 100% sure. Very cool British horsepower vehicle. This is definitely going to be one of my new favorites in the collection. Thanks so much, Walmart. This is the last premium that I scored at Walmart, and I'm so glad I did. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe for more.